Hey everybody! Today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I have a cup with some leftover colors. Don't mind my mess because I haven't cleaned from painting I did a little bit ago yesterday, and I decided to mix up a bunch of other colors for some new paintings, but then I noticed that I have this extra cup and I had some other colors I dumped in there. I'm not really sure exactly what's in here. I will put them all in the description, but I know there's like a metallic taupe, there's a metallic blue-green, I think there's a phthalo turquoise in there, and there is silicone, because this was a flip cup I think I had done. So anyway, so I think what I'm just going to do is a flip and drag, and I'm just going to dump it on there and see what we get. Alright, so yeah, I guess I'll just do it this way first. Start in the corner. And then I'll see how I do. Slowly lift it. Because I do have that trouble. See, did it again. I'm just going to run it through. Drag it there. There we go. I seem to have better luck doing it that way. I'm going to run it to the end. Okay. I think there's white in here also. Looks like there's some white. You can see there's probably a little bit of a glare. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm going to go around it with some white. I'm going to pop any air bubbles. There are some cells popping up because that's silicone in there. Alright, so I think I'm just going to take my bottle and do put a little white underneath in a few spots and see what happens. Oh, I didn't get underneath there. Around it a bit. Some more air bubbles in there. Alright, now I'm just going to start moving it. It's stuck a little bit there. There we go. There's a lot of white on here. A lot more. Gotta dump some of this off. That's why it ain't clean yet, because I knew I was still gonna be making a mess. Alright, I'll take you in for the close-up. This actually turned out really pretty. I always get some really pretty paintings with leftover paint. Or it seems that way anyway. I like how this turned out. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day.